bookish knowledge, it's a more practical subject. It helps you gain knowledge about everything around the world, the current situations, or more practical knowledge. So that was my idea for which I chose BBA as my course. Basically, most of the time gets spent on our classes only. It gets over around 6 o'clock. Apart from that, I am personally interested in playing badminton. So we have a really good coach here who teaches us badminton. So sometimes I go to my Zumba classes, or I've even joined so many clubs here. Rather than focusing more on the book, what's written, the definition, they have discussions in the class. Being a non-math student, it was quite difficult for me to cope up in a few weeks. But the teacher here are really friendly in that way, as they always schedule extra classes for everyone beyond the normal class schedule.
The reason behind choosing this university is the amount of facilities, the amount of opportunities, and apart from them, the one-to-one interaction with the faculty is really very interesting. Starting from the first day, the buddy project was actually about the buddies, that is our seniors. It has been so much fun, including our workshops, our games, our sports activities. Talking about my course, that is BBA Honours. BBA, we had been already given a global curriculum with the opportunity of getting some electives from all across the schools, that is all the schools including the International Affairs, the Law School, the Liberal Arts School. You can actually get that multidisciplinary course, and I'm extremely exuberant to be a part of this university, and I really look forward to dream big and create big.
I'm a third year student here at the BBA MBA program, and I've just gotten back from a semester exchange at UNWE, that is University of National and World Economy at Sofia, Bulgaria. The cultural value of just going abroad, the academic value it holds, the kind of experiences you will have, just meeting different people, not even traveling, just meeting different people from different countries, it will have an immense value to your life.
We were not made to study rigorous business studies in the first 3 years. Really helped us to garner a much better overview and a much better mentality. Plus, later on, in the remaining 2 years, when we had to choose our specialization, it made it a lot easier. So now we were exposed to so many different streams that we knew what to pick. So it wasn't just curriculum based. They were so approachable. We could talk to them about literally anything that was happening around. We had a guest session almost every week, where some eminent CEO or founder would come and talk to us. And that really gave us an entry to communicate with them, further network with them, build a relationship. I think it's very different from a traditional MBA. You could join either the BBA program or the MBA program or the IBA program, that's okay. But I think the approach is very different. The faculty, the kind of one-to-one interactions that you get over here are probably not there in the other.
In school, I mean, you have to be there for a limited time, and then you have to go back home where you'll be safe and secure and you'll have your parents' support. But since we're here in college and we've got to spend the entire week here on our own, I think with the independence, we also have to shoulder a lot of responsibilities on how we have to take care of ourselves and manage our work without our parents' support or guidance. And we don't have anybody to spoon feed us. So even though it's a lot of fun to chill with your friends at night with no deadlines to sleep at 11 or whatever, but you have to work yourself, and it's been pretty good. The experience is really good.